Hello friends, this is Sunil and welcome to our channel Amazing Skills. In this session, we are going to see the tutorial on cartooning. This is second tutorial friends. In the first tutorial, we have started from zero. It was like this. I will directly start from the boards. This was a zero where we have made various changes in the prominent features of a face. Like we have changed the shape of ears, we have changed these hairstyles, we have changed these eyes like this. Then we have made some changes with nose and we have also have some changes with the mouth, chin and some of the other elements like neck, eyebrows. These were some of the changes we made in the previous session. So in this session we are going to focus on hairs. So this is our topic of discussion today, where we will be focusing. That is, what are the various changes we are getting after changing the hairstyles. So again, I'll start from zero. Then this is our Is it getting clear? We can make it zoom so that it will be visible. So first and very basic change we can make with the hairs is like this. So we will do simultaneously, we will doing changes in the both the cartoons. So this is simple. There is no hairs, bald. This can be one of the prominent feature of a personality, bald. Then second, we can add some hairs like this. This can be one of the feature, bald with some small hairs on the side. Okay, yes. Then we can add some more hairs like this. This can be one of the styles. Little hairs. Okay, so this type of features can be observed in various personalities. Then again we will just rub this and make some different hairstyles. Like some of the persons will have this type of hairs. So we are observing what type of changes we are getting after changing the hairstyles, correct? This was our original zero, and by making the hairstyle changes we found these changes in the overall personality. So this type of curly hairs can be observed in various types of personalities. Then so it is my request, whatever changes I am making as a homework, you just practice on it. You just try for different types of hair, because I may not be covering all type of hairstyles within this short span. I cannot cover complete hairstyle, but you can try of your own. So what type of hairs can be observed? Like this, simple straight hairs. This type of hairs also can be observed in some of the personalities. See the changes. Then this was straight hairs. Straight hairs can be like this also. This can be one of the style. This can be one of the hairstyle. Very straight hairs taking back side. See, what is the main objective of our making the cartoons? To create the humor, which is very, very essential nowadays. So, to make the things, to make the images more joyful, so this is the very important area where we can play, that is hairstyles. So, we can have hairstyle like this. This can be hairstyles. You can color it with black. It will look like a very crazy or a very humorous cartoon. Then I know this type of hairs are not actually we observe, but what type of hairs nowadays I observe, that also I will just some youth, my dear friends, some of the youngsters, they are making their hairstyle like this. Spikes on the top portion only. This is also very common and very popular hairstyle nowadays we observe. Okay. Okay, before I conclude, intentionally I have not taken a girl or a woman because it will require a much time, because in girls there are various types of hairstyles. So I will be uploading one separate episode for that. Okay, what type of hairs can be there? Just there can be like this curly but in this pattern. This can be one of the hairstyles. Correct? There is one very common hairstyle in our days. It was simple, a form of leaves, various leaves, just one of the leaves like this. And this was also a very common hairstyle. By 3 leaves, this figure is completed. We can have this type of hairs also in cartoons. Okay, this is also very common and humorous figure. It's like a star. Okay, is it visible? Then there can be some hairs coming from the front side like this. This is also a common type of hairstyle found in children's. Okay. Then hairstyle can be like this. In children, this is also one common hairstyle. Or there can be very long hairs, or this can be covered with some cap. This can also be one of the prominent feature of a personality, always wearing a cap, or various types of caps you can try. there can be some persons having a very long hairs like this. This is also one of the famous hairstyles found in youth. Very long and straight hairs. Then these hairs can be curly. So as a practice you can have different experiments on these hairstyles. So dear friends, this was little effort. This is looking just like a lady or a girl. And as I mentioned, I will be having a separate episode on the various hairstyles of girls or ladies. Okay. So this was, I think, enough demonstration on the various hairstyles. So thank you friends. Before conclude, I request you to please give your valuable suggestions. If you are not subscribed this channel, you please subscribe this channel so that in future also I will be uploading various videos on the cartooning, and by pressing the bell icons you can get notifications in due course. Okay friends, keep practicing, keep smiling. Thank you.